Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Bosch Dishwasher SMV to the Home Connect smartphone application. So let's start from opening the Google Play Store or App Store and look for the Home Connect application. Install it and open. If you're opening this app for the first time, you have to register your account. Now click on the plus and choose New Appliance. Then select the continue. Now you can turn on your device and click on the remote control button. As you can see, now we have the connecting on the control panel. If you cannot find the appliance in this place, you can also connect it with the QR code. So let's try it. Select continue. Okay, I got a pop-up. Okay, there we have a dishwasher. So if you want to scan it by the QR code, it's located in this place. Let's back to the smartphone, tap on your dishwasher. Then you have to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. So just give me a second. And click on the accept. Then continue. And that's it. Now we have our dishwasher in the application, so you can start control it with your smartphone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.